Did you know that a simple juice made from a forgotten ingredient from southern France is helping thousands of men urinate with strength, sleep through the night, and regain the confidence they thought they had lost forever? No, we're not talking about another generic supplement or a medication full of side effects. We're talking about a natural extract used for generations by elderly French men in their 70s and 80s who rarely ever step foot in a urologist's office. While thousands of men here in the United States suffer with weak flow, full bladders, and sleepless nights, this purple secret goes straight to the root of the problem, a hormone that's silently sabotaging your masculinity. Today, I'm going to show you the truth behind French grapeseed and why it might be your prostate's greatest ally after 60. Maybe you've been waking up several times a night with that uncontrollable urge to pee, only to end up frustrated in the bathroom with a weak stream and a bladder that still feels full. And the worst part is, the more time passes, the more you feel like you're losing control, not just of your bladder, but of your energy, your intimacy, and your confidence as a man. But what if I told you the problem isn't exactly your prostate? It's a silent hormonal imbalance that's been growing stronger over the years. The villain's name is aromatase, an enzyme that starts working against you, converting your testosterone, the hormone that makes you a man, into estrogen, the female hormone. Yes, that's right. Your body is being feminized without you even realizing it. And this excessive conversion of testosterone into estrogen causes your prostate to swell, your desire to shrink, your stream to weaken, and your manhood to slowly slip away. But here's the good news. There's a natural way to fight back against this enzyme, and that's where the French secret I'm about to reveal comes in. For years, conventional doctors have tried to treat enlarged prostates with medications like alpha blockers and finasteride. The problem? They only mask the symptoms and often cause side effects like erectile dysfunction and loss of libido. It wasn't until European researchers turned their attention to a remote mountain region in southern France that a breakthrough happened. There, men over 70 rarely experience symptoms of BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia. And what did they all have in common? A simple ancient habit, drinking a juice made from the seed of a specific grape grown in harsh, cold conditions. That seed, now known as French grapeseed extract, contains a natural compound called catechin dihydrate, a powerful flavonoid that works as a natural aromatase blocker. In other words, it prevents your testosterone from being converted into estrogen, allowing your body to function like it did in your 30s or 40s. The result? The prostate begins to shrink, your urine stream gets stronger, and your energy, drive, and vitality come back to life. All this without medication, without surgery, and without side effects. A study published in the prestigious Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that the polyphenols in French grapeseed extract are potent natural aromatase inhibitors. In other words, every drop of this juice helps slow down the process that's swelling your prostate from the inside. And this isn't just theory. Real men are experiencing the benefits of this discovery, like Mr. George, 80 years old, who spent years waking up 5 or 6 times a night, suffering from weak flow, low libido, and feeling embarrassed to leave the house. Just a few weeks after using the French grapeseed formula, he was sleeping peacefully again, urinating with ease, and even rekindled his intimacy with his wife, something he thought was lost forever. In another case, a man who had been wearing adult diapers due to urinary leaks stopped using them completely after 30 days of this supplement. Today, he travels, drives for hours, and attends social events with friends without worrying about finding a restroom in time. More than 23,000 men have already experienced these effects firsthand. And now, you'll understand why this formula works so well. And what else is behind the juice that helps shrink the prostate? French grapeseed extract is the heart of the formula. But just like any heart, it needs a full system supporting it to function at its best. That's why natural health scientists developed an exclusive combination with 5 more powerful ingredients, all working together to support prostate health and restore hormonal balance. Let's start with the second ingredient, Pygium africanum, also known as African plum. Extracted from the bark of a native African tree, Pygium has been used for centuries by local tribes to treat urinary and bladder issues. It targets prostate inflammation, reducing swelling and improving urinary flow. What's amazing is how well it works with grapeseed extract. While one blocks aromatase, the other clears the path for your urinary system to function smoothly. The third ingredient is stinging nettle. Often dismissed as a weed, it's actually a natural medicine powerhouse. Nettle blocks the connection between DHT, dihydrotestosterone, and the prostate. Elevated DHT is one of the main causes of BPH. By blocking this, nettle helps stop excessive prostate growth and supports gland size reduction. Now imagine that while all this is happening, your prostate is also being protected by a natural antioxidant shield, provided by the fourth ingredient, broccoli sprout extract. Rich in sulforaphane, this compound has been widely studied for its ability to protect prostate cells from oxidative and inflammatory damage. It works like a cellular janitor, clearing toxins, preventing mutations, and helping restore balance. It's as if your body is renewing itself from the inside out, and the formula doesn't stop there. The fifth ingredient is well known, pumpkin seed oil, a natural source of zinc and essential fatty acids. Zinc is crucial for male health, directly tied to testosterone production and prostate function. Meanwhile, the fatty acids help maintain gland structure and reduce silent inflammation. Finally, we have an ingredient from deep within the Amazon rainforest, cat's claw. This medicinal plant offers potent anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. It not only helps protect your prostate from infections and swelling, but also strengthens your immune system, especially important for men over 60. Now stop and think, 6 ingredients, each with a specific mission: block excess estrogen, reduce inflammation, restore urine flow, protect cells, and bring your hormones back into balance. All in one natural formula designed to help you regain what time and bad habits may have taken from you. It's as if your body is finally equipped with the right tools to take back control of your male health using nature, science, and intelligence. Now, picture this with me. You wake up in the morning with your bladder at ease, not because you held it all night, but because you slept peacefully without getting up 3, 4, or 5 times to pee. For the first time in years, your body truly rested. You get up feeling lighter, more energized. You head to the bathroom, and your stream is strong, steady, with a full sense of relief. No strain, no annoying dribbles, just peace, and that changes everything. You start leaving the house without worrying about where the nearest restroom is. You can hit the road, attend meetings, reunite with friends, all without that lingering anxiety that used to control your day. Your self-esteem improves, your confidence returns, even your intimate life begins to take on a new glow, because you feel more like yourself again. And it's not just about peeing better, it's about living better. Taking a walk with your grandson, sitting down to watch a movie with your wife, without needing to pause halfway to run to the bathroom. It's being able to make plans again without limitations, smiling more, living with more energy, more vitality, more freedom. Some men describe this transformation as turning back time. Others say it feels like a cloud has been lifted. But what they all agree on is this: the feeling of freedom that comes when your prostate returns to a healthy size is indescribable. And if thousands of men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s are experiencing this new chapter. Why not you? It's within reach. And it starts with one simple decision. But listen, if you really want to speed up the results and start feeling better sooner, sleeping deeper, urinating more easily, and getting your freedom back, then there's something you need to see. I asked Dr. Alan Porter, a men's health expert and personal friend of mine, who's already helped thousands of men, to prepare a presentation sharing everything he's uncovered about the French natural method that targets the root of the problem. It's what I call the Grape Juice Hack, a simple 10-second ritual that supports prostate deflation and relieves symptoms like dribbling and frequent urges. No expensive medications, no risky side effects, just a 100% natural method the industry doesn't want you to know about. And once you learn why, you'll understand exactly what's going on. If you're tired of living hostage to your bladder, I strongly recommend you watch this presentation before it disappears. It's linked in the first pinned comment below. Just click and watch it now. It might be the step that completely changes your day-to-day life. And when you're done, come back here and tell me what you think. If this video spoke to you, if you're also tired of sleepless nights, constant bathroom trips, and feeling like you're losing control of your body, then leave this phrase in the comments. I want to reclaim my well-being. That phrase is more than just a comment. It's a commitment to yourself. It's the first step toward real change. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now, because in the upcoming videos, I'll be showing you the foods that worsen prostate health, nighttime habits you need to break, and the simple practices that are restoring vitality to thousands of men over 60. Hit the bell so you don't miss anything, and share this video with someone you know who needs to hear this message. Because when a man regains his confidence, he doesn't just change his body, he transforms his whole life.